My name is Tina Grotzer, and I'm an associate professor at the Graduate School of Education. Multiple intelligence is the idea that intelligence is not one unitary thing, but rather it can be a number of different things. It's pluralist, so there are many different ways of being smart. Most people thought of intelligence as something that you had a lot of or a little of, and you had a certain amount, and it was sort of defined by quickness, speed, sort of mental capacity, computing power, and that you could take that and you could apply it to any number of domains. What Howard's work did is it took this concept and broke it apart based on research from neuroscience and cognition into the ways that people can be intelligent in, for example, mathematical logical intelligence, linguistic verbal intelligence, visual spatial intelligence, interpersonal, intrapersonal looking in. So different forms of intelligence. You know, a dancer would be more likely to have bodily kinesthetic intelligence, but might also have incredible intrapersonal intelligence, sort of knowing their feelings and emotions and how to bring those out. The ramifications are broad. We see it in business, we see it in schools, we see people looking when they are looking to tackle a problem. They might think about, well, who is best suited to solve this problem? How do we encourage people to build upon their propensities, the areas where they are particularly intelligent, and use those propensities to remediate areas where it's harder for them. So for example, if I'm particularly focused inward, but I need to be able to focus outward for a presentation, I might use some of those inward skills about emotions and thinking about connecting with the audience to think about how to be more social in my intelligence and reach out. So the combinations together sort of can be powerful.